That's our last one for the phonics alphabet. Are you excited? I am, but I'm a bit sad. Because after this, it's finished for phonics. We'll have to do something else. But never mind, we'll find a new thing to do, okay? So don't worry. Now, last time we did V, W, and X. What is the next letter? Do you know? What is it? Well done! The letter Y, yes. And what sound does the letter Y make? Did you get it? Yes! Yeah. And what words start with Y? I'll give you a clue. What's this? What color? That's right! Yellow! Well done! And what if I do like this? And it's white? And it comes from milk? That's right! Yogurt! Yogurt! Well done! And the last one is round, and we go like this with it. Up and down, up and down. What's that? Yo-yo! Well done! Oh, you're very good. Shall we sing the song? Shall we do the phonics song with it? Yes? Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Y is for yellow. Yellow. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. These are the sounds that the letter Y makes. Ta-da! Did you sing? Did everybody sing? Now, get everybody to join in with us, okay? Even your cats and dogs, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. These are the sounds that the letter Y makes. Ta-da! Did you get that? Well done. Oh, you're getting so good at this. When we finish this one, you can sing all the songs at home. As many times as you like, okay? Cool. Now, we've done the letter Y. What's the last letter of the alphabet? Did you get it? Z. Yes, well done. And what sound does the letter Z make? What? Right. Z. Like a bee, yes. Okay, and what word can you think of? The first one I'm thinking of is black and white, and it likes to run. Did you get it? Zebra, yes, well done, a stripy zebra. Zebra, good. And the next word is a place where you can see lots and lots of animals. Giraffes and tigers and lions and... What? Yes, that's right, a zoo. A zoo, well done. And the last one is something that you go like this and... Oh, what's that? A zip! Well done! Yes, a zip! Okay, I think we're ready to sing our phonics song. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes? Let's go! Z is for zip. Zip. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Z is for zebra. Zebra. These are the sounds that the letter Z makes. Did you get that? Did you do it? This is our last one. Everybody has to sing along now. Even your fish, okay? Ready? Let's do it one more time. Are you ready? Yes? Z is for zip. Zip. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Z is for zebra. Zebra. These are the sounds that the letter Z makes. Ta-da! Well done, everyone. You've been great. And thank you so much for watching our whole phonics series. Today, we did the letter Y and Z, which is the end of the alphabet. But we will see you again for lots more episodes of our YouTube series with lots of fun English topics. Okay? And don't forget, check out our Coaching English Facebook page, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, everybody!